This is pre-lecture for section 14.5. We want to remind you how basically implicit surfaces look like versus explicit function graphs of explicit functions. So it says find 2 points on the surface of x squared plus y squared minus z squared equal to 0, which I know this is a cone, and it goes in the z direction. And where x is equal to 4 and y equal to 3. If this was an explicit function, I would just plug it in, right? And I would plug it in and solve for z. But here it's an implicit surface, so I have to plug in 4 for x, 3 for y, and solve for z. And so it's 16 plus 9 minus z squared equal to 0. Therefore, z squared is equal to 25, and z equal to plus minus 5. 2 answers. And this is why it's not an explicit function. And so now I have to write the 2 points down. Points, both of them have 4 and 3 for x and y. And in z, 5 and negative 5. So if you look at it, it's 1 up there and 1 down here. The next question is asking on the surface of this cone again, and where x is 5 and z equal to 13. So x equal to 5 is 25 in here plus y squared minus 169 equal to 0. Do the subtraction, you get y squared is equal to 144. Therefore, y is equal to plus minus 12. Now, I had x 5 and z 13, 5 and 13. And now I get basically y equal to 12 or negative 12. It's somewhere out here. One is in this side and the other one is on that other side. Now, the last question is asking on x squared plus y squared minus z squared equal to 0, where x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So here, if I plug in, I get a squared plus b squared minus z squared equal to 0. That is, z squared is going to be equal to a squared plus b squared. And the answer is going to be z equal to plus minus square root of a squared plus b squared. So it's just basically a c or a value that is going to work in here, that's going to make a Pythagorean c squared equal to a squared plus b squared in there. And I can write it as a b square root of a squared plus b squared, or a b negative square root of a squared plus b squared in general.